top skills required for an RPA developer in 2024. In this video, we will explore the key skills that will set you apart as a top-notch RPA developer, allowing you to excel in this exciting and rewarding career path. Experience and expertise in automation. One of the most crucial skills for an RPA developer in 2024 is a deep understanding of automation principles. This includes knowledge of robotics process automation technology, software programming, and machine learning, problem solving, and critical thinking. As an RPA developer, you will often encounter complex challenges that require creative problem-solving skills and critical thinking. Being able to analyze data, identify issues, and develop innovative solutions will be essential in successfully implementing RPA systems. Data analysis and coding skills. Proficiency in data analysis and coding is another key skill for an RPA developer in 2024. Being able to manipulate data, write code, and troubleshoot issues is crucial for designing and maintaining effective RPA solutions. Experience with programming languages such as Python, Java, and SQL will be highly valuable in this role. Proficiency with RPA tools. In addition to coding skills, familiarity with RPA tools such as UiPath, Automation Anywhere, and Prism is essential for an RPA developer. These tools streamline the automation process and allow developers to create and deploy bots efficiently. Strong communication and collaboration skills. Effective communication and collaboration are essential in any professional setting, and this is especially true for RPA developers. Working closely with stakeholders, clients, and fellow team members requires strong interpersonal skills and the ability to convey complex technical concepts in a clear and concise manner. Conclusion. In conclusion, the top skills required for an RPA developer in 2024 encompass a combination of technical expertise, problem-solving abilities, communication skills, and adaptability. By developing these key skills and staying abreast of emerging technologies, you can position yourself for a successful and fulfilling career in robotics process automation.